Hello, I'm Dolly and you are watching Dolly's Fun Learning English class. Today's topic is naming word or noun. Watch the video till end to learn the concept of noun with a very new and simple method, along with a fun activity also. Once upon a time, there was a small house. In that house, there lived a little girl named Ruhi and a little boy named Rohan. They had two friends also. Do you want to meet with their friends? They had a pet cat and a pet fish also. The name of the cat was Pushy, meow, and the name of the fish was Goldie. Hello! In the evening, they used to play with their bat, ball and disc in their garden. And sometimes they went to the park also. One day, they all went to the park. When they went to the park, three mice entered into their house and spoiled many things. And after some time, when they came back into their house, the boy found the mice and shouted, "Hey, mice are there!" And the girl said, "Yes, they spoiled many things also." So they were very much worried. What to do now? They spoiled our shirt, book and bag also. Meow! The cat said, "Don't worry, I will catch them all." The mice listened the words of the cat and get scared. One mouse said, "Don't worry. If we tie a bell around the neck of the cat, we will easily know the movements of the cat and we will run away." The suggestion is very good. But who would tie the bell? You go? No, you go. No, it's your turn. And the cat came behind them and caught them all. Ha 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 ha! I have caught them all. Ha ha ha! After that, they felt very happy. La 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 la. So, what we learned from this story? Yes, talking is very easy, but acting is not. But you always try to do what you say. I hope all of you have enjoyed this story very much. Yes? But did you notice one thing? There are so many names in this story, like Rohan, bat, ball, house, garden, cat, mouse. Among these names, some are the names of animals, some are the names of people, some are the names of things, and some are the names of places also. As Rohan is a name of a person. House is a name of a place. Cat is a name of an animal. Ball is a name of a thing. And all these names in English are known as naming words or nouns. Now, let's recall the naming words or nouns from the story. Person: girl, boy, Ruhi and Rohan. Place: house, garden, park. Animal: cat, mouse, fish. Thing: bat, ball, disc, shirt, bag. Book: These are all the nouns or naming words. So what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So the concept of noun is so simple and easy. You only have to remember that all around us there are so many people, places, animals or things. And everything or every person has a name. And these names are naming words or nouns. You can do one thing. Read or listen different stories and find out the nouns. Yes, names of person, place, animal or thing. Hope your concept of noun is clear. But still, if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment section below. I will definitely reply. Now, for you all, there is an activity also. Are you all ready? The name of the activity is Nouns Spin Game. This is the game, Nouns Spin Game. Make a spinner like this, divide it into 4 equal parts and in each part write person, place, animal, thing. And then play the spinner game with your family and friends. Now how to play this game? First, the first player will spin. So spin it. Oh, the arrow shows place. That means the first player have to name a place like Mumbai. Yes. Now it's turn for the second player. Oh, it plays again. So, house. Now it's turn for the third player. What is it? Person. Yes, the third player will say the name of a person like girl. So like this, you play this game at least for 10 minutes and find out how many names you can write, how many nouns you can write correctly. Enjoy the spin game and learn the concept of noun. Thank you.